Hey YouTube, this is Mana. Um, Today I want to speak about unplugging. And you need to unplug when it just is too much. When the phone won't stop ringing, when the kids won't stop crying, when your doorbell is just being rung off the hook. You have to take this time to just be quiet and marvel in the fact that you love yourself. So you will stop, pause dead where you are, and do this. And marvel in the fact that you can. Because there's many people today that can't even take a deep breath. Walk to your back door, front door, whatever door leads outside your house. Then walk back to where you were standing. And marvel in the fact that you can do that. Go outside, walk up the street, come back. And just think that is so amazing. Because there's many people that don't have the option of even doing that because they're locked down or shut down or sick. Stop while you're outside, though. Let the sun touch your face or even the raindrops if that's what's going on that day. And think about how wonderful you are, how beautiful you are inside and out, how you're going to manifest all these glorious things for yourself and your family. What you do, you breathe that in. You exhale all bullshit. Just like that. Don't let anybody say anything that knocks you off your square. Remember that from the last video. Go sit down. Stretch your arms up and open up those lungs. And tell everybody around you, look here, I'm having me a me moment. You understand? Hell, make them join you. It's really fun. So with that being said, I'm going to say love, peace, and hair grease. And take a couple of minutes today for you. I know it's late. You still need those couple of minutes. Think about how wonderful you are as a person. How beautiful you are inside and out. How glorious it is to be able to walk and breathe on your own. Hug yourself, love on yourself, give yourself a facial. Get in the tub, sit for a moment. Just be comfortable in the fact that you're all right. And anything you got going on today, this too shall pass. With that being said, love, peace, and hair grease. Make sure you manifest great things. Mana is out.